Hey friends, it's exciting to be back. Been in the process of moving, still in that process because moving is not fun. I was gonna say it's a bitch, but there, I'll set it. So I've not done an unboxing, surprise unboxing, reveal, haul, whatever you wanna call it, in about a month between packing and moving. And still not done unpacking, but I've got a couple boxes of things here that I want to check out. It's a surprise to me. I never know what Nadine is going to send me, and then I model it with jewelry from Stability Designs, my company. So kind of a cool, fun dealio I have going with one of my best friends. You can find in the description here below the link to get these clothes. She sells at great prices. She takes great care of you, and we match my jewelry with it. So we're gonna see, looks like I've got some cute summer tops in here, which I never have too many of these. Love this, and you can never have too much leopard. Wow. So cute, love the snaps in the front. So this, and I like this rugged edge too, look at that. Cute, so I certainly have a lot I can model with that. And what do we have? Another tank top, awesome, fun, has an opening in the back. Love the colors. You could totally pull the red, white, and blue and make this 4th of July-esque, or I can just wear it around my house since we're decorating like cowboy and Indian and Western. So yeah, there is that. I could just be part of like the decor here. What do you think? Nah, I'm just gonna wear it and it's gonna be cute, but I'm gonna put some really cute cowboy jewelry with it. Maybe some bullet jewelry. And oh, romantic. I did know these were coming because I had to have the romantic floral, cold shoulder, cute. Colors are great. Love it. Yeah, so much can be done with this. If you want to do some white pearls or some pink pearls or even silver, gold, you can do anything you want. That's the beauty of fashion these days. It's all up to you. You can look at the magazines, you can see what's in, but we get to wear what we want because we get to decide now. There's never been a time where there's more fun in fashion. And of course, I had to have this in black as well because when I like something, I want it in every color. You might have noticed. So super cute, super fun. Love it, love the crisscross in the front and the cold shoulder. And the romantic flowers. Always a favorite of mine. And there's more. Wait, there's more. We have a ginsu. Oh, no, we don't. I've always wanted one, but I don't have one. Okay, cute. Whenever you put leopard with anything, I'm in. I don't care, I'm in. So look at this fun strappy cold shoulder. It's strapalicious, okay? And stripes. And I'm gonna have so much fun pairing this with some leggings or some jeans or, you know, or. You didn't know I was related to a seal, did you? Or. That's not true. I don't even swim. Purple. If you've ever like gone out deliberately looking for purple clothes, you cannot find them. They do not make a lot in purple. So when you find it, if you like purple, you need to get it. So you can get all of these from Styles by Design, Nadine's Closet. They range from like $12 to $20 usually. And then she has these crazy sales on Tuesday where like I've seen stuff for $5. And I have another box. I think we're gonna save the other box for another video. What do you think? I think we are.